So a very good morning to you all. My name is Gaurav and welcome to PISP Solution. In this video we will be discussing how to use alerts to resolve our roadblocks. Okay, so for this there is a case study scenario. So it's like that a company named Bright Power Limited use Oracle ARCS to manage account reconciliation across multiple entities. Okay, so during the monthly close, one of the reconciliation for accounts payables, it shows that a variance that cannot be cleared due to missing invoice data. Okay, so there is a missing invoice data which leads that the reconciliation haven't closed yet. Okay, so the problem is like that the reconciliation preparer identify the issue but cannot provide because the data for the procurement department is pending. Okay, so the preparer has to give the alert, and for that the workflow cannot be performed. Okay, so to close the reconciliation, preparer has to give the attachment and the reviewer has to answer the questions. Okay, so let's see what we have to provide the solution. Use alerts Using alerts to resolve our roadblock. This is fine, this is our topic. So first thing is to create the alert type. Okay, so first let's go to the application and see how we create the alert type. So this is my application and here this all are the alert types. Okay, so one more alert type we will be creating, which is like let me copy this. Okay, then fine. Description we will be giving as this, we can take as a description. Accounts payable account shows a variance that cannot be cleared due to missing invoice data. Okay, this is my description. So let's copy it and paste it here like this. And with whom this other type is related with our reconciliation, with our compliance transactions or transaction matching. So we'll be taking for reconciliation. So select reconciliation here. Restriction prevent workflow. Period selection visible, fine. And this is for high priority because as here priority is high. Okay, so then for instruction we need this, so let's copy this and enable it key and make the high priority is 2 days, 2 or 3 days. Okay, then we comes to our instruction part. The context we have copied, just paste it here. Attach vendor invoice or credit note details. Okay, then we have the workflow. So my assignee is my Alex Smith, who is my assignee, so select him, and approver is my Amy Marlin, so select her like this. Then we have viewer part, so no need to add any viewer. Then we have to give two questions which are in our scenario. So first question, has the invoice been received? Control C, also copy this, Control C, fine. First question is, has we received the invoice, and you have to answer in yes and no. Okay, and who will be answering this? My approver. Who is my approver? Required. Okay, click OK. Then second we have is our yes or no, role, approver and required. fine. So approver is my Amy Marlin. Okay, so he will be she will be answering for the this questions. Okay, this format label questions. And if attributes is required, let's see, there is attachment attribute here. Fine, there is no any attachment attribute, no problem. Okay, save and close it. So this is our alert type. Here you see, which is enable. Okay, let's go to a profile, and here you see this is our accounts payable variance. This is our profile. Okay, so first let's check this profile, what all these things are there in our profiles: instructions, workflow, currency, attribute, rule. Okay, fine, there is one rule that there is attachment required, so fine, let's close it. mm. So we have created the alert. Our next job is to go to our change the user. I have to log in as Alex Smith, so first sign out from here. Okay, so I have login as Alex Smith, and after login just go to the work list, and under work list you will be selecting the okay, before selecting I have to prepare the reconciliation. So first just go to the administrator page and just go to profile. Under profile just select the profile which you have created just right now and create a reconciliation for the period of July 23. Fine, apply. I forgot to create the reconciliation, that's why I've come back and create the reconciliation. Okay, let's refresh it again. Why it's the reconciliation not coming? July period, it's fine. Clear all the filter first. Yeah, it's here. Fine, but it's in a closed status, so let's open it. Okay, first we have to delete this reconciliation, so just go back to just go back to the reconciliation card and delete the risks, delete the reconciliation for this particular period. So first clear all the filters, and this is my the reconciliation which you have prepared, and it's in the closed status, so I want this in the open status. So first close this, delete this, and let's see if we are able to create the reconciliation again. otherwise I have to create the profile from the very beginning. So just go to the profile card, which is here. Okay, so for this time I will be loading my data for the period of June 23. Fine. Previously I have loaded my data for July 23. Now this time I will be loading pre-map balance with the period June 23. So this one I want to load, and my currency bucket is my functional. Fine, and import it. Now check for the data load result. It's in pending status, post process. Refresh it again one more time. It's taking time. Completed, done. Now just go to the profile, create reconciliation. Which period? June 23. June 23. Yeah, here, and apply. Done. Now just log in as the preparer, which is here in this window, and change the period from directly from here. June, July, I want June 23. Okay, so where is it? See here, June 23, like this. And here you see it is in the open status, so just open it. And our first step is to give the alert, so click on this bell icon over here, which is a alert bell, and click on add. So we'll be creating a new alert, and the name of, first we'll be selecting the type which we have created in alert type. So this is our alert type, so select this, and this is my missing doc, like this. And for period of June 23, priority is high, prevent workflow. Fine. And description I'll be giving the same as the instruction. Control C, Control V, click OK, and submit it. Submit this. Done. And close this from here. Now it's open to user mmlin. Let's see. Our next step is to give the variance explanation from here. Just open this, and my variance explanation is like this. Change in account, change in variance for accounts payable, and my amount is 800, not 800, 8000, sorry, and save it. After saving, let's submit this. You cannot perform as a restriction document alert. Okay, fine. So this is how we add alerts. Look here, when I try to submit, I won't be able to submit. You cannot procure the action due to the restriction following alert, this. Okay, so just go to the summary page and attach any document first here, because there is a attachment file. So let's see if I have any attachment. Let's give this and carry forward. Okay, fine. Name is this, fine, everything is fine here. Instruction, okay. Alex, okay. So okay, this alert is associated with 000 semicolon 900. Okay, this is our profile. Fine. This is the format level questions which MM Alien have to answer. Okay, so let's sign out first and go to MM Alien's tab, because we won't be able to submit it because she have to approve the alert. As I have given the attachment, now it's her job to approve the what we say alert. Okay, so first sign out and log in as MM Alien. Okay, so I have login as MM Alien. Go to work list and under work list select the period which is for June 23, 23, 23. Where is it? It's here. Fine. And here you see the missing doc alert. So click on this, and two questions are there which is must be required to answer. So I will say yes because we have given the attachment. So has the invoice been received? Yes. Expected date of the reconciliation uploaded? Yes. Fine. And approve it like this. So approve has been approved, and just close this and sign out and log in back as Alex, and let's see we able to approve, we able to submit our reconciliation. Okay, so log in back as Alex Smith. And then go to work list, and this is my reconciliation, and just submit it. Yes, look here, it gets submitted on. Now Alex Smith is done with his job. He give the attachment, he approves the not he approves, MM Alien, she approves the alert, and Alex Smith able to work able to proceed with the reconciliation. Okay, so the last step is to approve. Okay, so going back to MM Allen, she will be approving the reconciliation. Okay, so work list, this is our reconciliation. Okay, so when I click on approve, when MM Allen, she will click on approve. So look here, the reconciliation has been approved and it's under a closed status. Okay, so this is how you can solve roadblocks using our alert. Okay, using alert you can solve the roadblocks. Okay, so I hope you understand. So that's all for today. Thank you.